Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be taking this HTML template and turning it into a WordPress template. So let's get started. It's a pretty easy process. The first step is to go into our folder that houses all of our files that we use and take the HTML extension and change it to PHP. In case you don't know, PHP is a server-side language that WordPress operates on. Yes, change it to PHP, and now I'm going to open it in my text editor of choice, which is Brackets, which is a free program that you can download. Just give it a second to open. Hang on. I'm going to open this in a free program called Brackets. Alright, so it's almost open. Error opening file. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, so now we have our index.php file open. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the CSS and bring it into its own file. So let's cut all of the CSS that's here. Save that. And paste that into a new file. Now we're going to save out this file in the same location and call it style.css. My test blog. Alright. Now, there are some very important lines of code that describe what is in the WordPress theme that we need to add to the beginning of our style sheets. WordPress CSS comment header. Just give it a second. Here we go, theme development, WordPress codex. Now we scroll down until we see this here. This is what we need. We need this information that describes exactly what the theme is to be at the top of our style sheet. So let's just put that in. A WordPress theme will absolutely not run unless you have this information in it. So let's change the information that we have given. Theme name, my test blog. Theme URI, localhost, whatever, WordPress. Author, me. Okay, author URI, compellingmemories.com/ That's just a test website that I put together because I don't really have an official website. Description, let's just put in something stupid like, this is the description, yay. We don't really have time to put in a full description. And by that I mean I don't feel like taking the time to. Let's delete everything except for the version. And let's delete this code. And there we go. That should work. Let's take this code and copy it over to our WordPress themes folder. So let's open a new Finder tab. I'm running this on my local host, so I'm just doing it this way. Okay, let's see here. Oh, let's see. Yeah, htdocs. Yeah, go to your WordPress server, WP content, themes, and just copy it over there. Paste it, and here it comes. There it is. Copying 6 items of themes, 3 items. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, good. Now what we want to do is we want to go into our WordPress dashboard. And now we want to go to Appearance, Themes. Let's wait for that to load. Jeez, my computer is slow. Here we go. Okay, now we want to activate our My Test Blog theme. So, let's take a look at it. Let's view our site. And wow, it doesn't show up. Perfect. That is exactly what we want. And by that, I of course mean the opposite. So what we actually need to do is we need to put in some information about where WordPress can find our files. Because so far it's only able to find the index.php file and not our images or our CSS code. So what we need to do is we need to add a link to our CSS file. Let's do link href equals, and now we have to put in some PHP code. In the href section, what we need to do is type in an opening PHP tag, like that, and then we type in Alright, since I'm on a local host, I can just automatically preview this, so let's see if it works. It does not work. Why doesn't it work? That's not good. Oh, I know why it doesn't work. After you're done with the href, what you have to do is you have to first end the link tag, and then you have to do rel equals style sheet. There we go. And now we do type equals text/CSS. And now it should work. Reload the page and give it a second, and there it is. It works. Perfect. Now it can't find two of our images, our logo and our slider image. So what we want to do is we want to copy our href and paste it in front of each one of our images. And right next to that, you want to put slash, just like that. And then change stylesheet URL to template_URL. And then our logo should show up. Let's see. And perfect, that shows up. Let's do the same thing with our slider image. Copy that line, paste it in, and perfect. So now you might notice that it is still 100% static, and you can't edit any of the content in it, which is a problem. Now, in order to stop this from being static, what we have to do is copy some code, which you can find in the description of this video. So, I'm going to copy the code from an old template that I made. And I'm going to paste it in the place of my body. Oops. Reload the page, and there we go. It works. So, I guess that's the end of this tutorial. Wait, no. No, it's not. Now we just have to add two more things to make this work exactly the way it's supposed to. We need to add this piece of code directly under the head tag. We need to add PHP WP head to make certain plugins work. Copy that, put it right above the body, and change WP head to WP footer. And now you should get your toolbar at the very top. And I guess that about wraps it up. And this has been a WordPress tutorial. Next time I'm going to teach you how to make this slideshow here actually work. So stay tuned.